easy AI-powered business ideas in 2025. You can start from home. You've seen AI take over the world, but what if I told you it could also take over your bills? In this video, I'm sharing 8 AI-powered business ideas you can start right from home. No tech degree, no office, no stress. Just your laptop, Wi-Fi, and a plan to make 2025 your richest year yet. Hello, Billionaire Farm. Welcome to AI Money with Remy. My name is Remy. On this channel, we teach how to use AI tools to create passive income, build digital businesses, and grow your wealth through smart finance strategies. This is where we talk about AI tools, money moves, and business ideas that help you earn smarter, not harder. Now listen, I found 8 small business ideas that you can start right now with little to no money. These are fun, profitable, and you can do most of them from home. And yes, you can use AI to make them faster. Farm, don't miss number 2 and number 7 because those are pure gold. So if you're ready, hit that like button and let's jump right in. Number 1, empowering t-shirts for little girls. Forget boring tees. Make shirts with power messages like I am not waiting for a seat, I'm building the table, or I am a future CEO. Use Canva AI to design them, then upload to Printful or Teespring, and boom! No inventory needed. Moms love buying empowering stuff for their kids. 2, AI Etsy store, digital products that sell all year. Now this one, a winner. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to create things like journal, wall art, wedding planners, or affirmations. People are making over 500,000 plus just selling digital downloads, and you don't even need to ship anything. Start small, open an Etsy shop. Use AI for designs plus SEO keywords, and you are set. Number 3, AI wedding planner book business. Did you know brides pay over $80 for cute wedding planners? You can make yours in a weekend using ChatGPT to write the planner sections and Canva AI to design the inside pages. Upload to Amazon KDP and start earning even while you sleep. Number 4, postpartum fitness coach. If you're a mom who figured out how to get fit again after birth, turn that into a business. You can create an AI-powered fitness planner or even a digital course using Notion or Teachable. Use ChatGPT to help you write your workout guides and client emails. There are thousands of women who would pay to learn from you. Number 5, handwritten wedding invites. If your handwriting is cute, people will pay you to make name cards and wedding invites. Don't want to handwrite everything? Use AI calligraphy fonts in Canva or Creative Fabrica. Print them and still charge for the design. Weddings are big business. Don't sleep on them. Number 6, online cultural food store. If you live abroad and can't find your country's snacks or spices easily, start an online store that sells them. You can use AI tools like Shopify Magic or ChatGPT to write product descriptions, and Canva AI to design your product photos and labels. People are craving a taste of home and they will pay for convenience. Number 7, natural hair consultant. Yes, AI can help here too. Okay, this one blew my mind. People are making over $800 a day just helping others take care of their natural hair. You can use AI forms or Google Sheets plus ChatGPT to create a custom hair care quiz. Clients answer questions, you give them a personalized hair routine. They pay you $50 to $100. You can even record your consultations over Zoom. Number 8, build a community online. Whether it's moms, side hustles, or creatives, communities make money. You can start a free group on WhatsApp, Discord, or Telegram. Share helpful tips. Then later, offer paid courses, templates, or group coaching. Use AI to create your content calendar, write posts, and design your visuals. Community plus consistency is equal to cash. Now listen, all of these ideas are cool, but none of them work unless you do. Even if you are starting with little, remember this: you've got creativity, you've got AI, and most of all, you've got God. So stop doubting, start creating, and watch your small start turn into a big win. And remember, I am rooting for you. So don't stop rooting for yourself. If you want me to make a part 2 with more AI-powered side hustles, drop a heart in the comments section below. Until next time, it's AI Money with Remy, where your ideas and AI make money together. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.